All right, so after 11 days, we got some wins and we got some fails. Now, obviously in here, we didn't get anything out, never planned to. Gold Rush, Kevin will be coming back on this soon. Vandemic, we took her out for a ride. You know, there was nothing wrong with her, so we weren't really worried about that.
Hey!
Chester? What do we have to do to Chester? Oh, wheel bearings and a battery. And back on the road. Brakes are a little sketchy, gotta look into that, but she's a runner. Put a new starter in the Mercury, but there's some sort of other issue going on, possibly flywheel related. We're not 100% sure about that. Mustang, we're just packing it in.
Yeah.
Done with the Mustang.
I quit.
Look it.
Till New Jersey.
If it fits, it ships.
In New Jersey,
just sending it back.
we will give you more video. Because I'll be working on this for a really long time.
Yes, yes. We figured it's just easier to ship it with all the parts on rather than put the parts in the back and have someone potentially steal them.
I don't want to get the expensive ass Pro Charger stolen in transport.
Yes, the Trans Am seems to be running good. No problems with that. Except for the windows now. All of a sudden they're not working. Well, the passenger window.
And the red dots all over.
Yep, we're taking bets on the clown noses as if they make it back. We're kind of praying that the turbo whistles fall off because they did jack shit. Yeah, but hey, they're there. So yeah, we'll get back to that. Yeah, yeah. That's the first thing going on the Mustang, the turbo whistles once this thing actually fires.
Yeah, man.
She's a cute car, so we're just moving everything around, getting ready for transport because tomorrow's our last day here. And I think Kevin had mentioned something about pulling out this car in the back corner over here because we didn't have enough shit to do, because you know we're gonna have to do something on that. There's something back here.
It'll work.
Yep, we're gonna be working on that.
That.
It's got a little sticker right here.
It's not a sticker.
Paint.
It's hand painted.
We got a little paint right here.
Hi.
So yeah, we're gonna circle back to this.
Need some windshield
Yep.
microfluid?
All right, she's almost ready. I guess we're not swapping doors, right?
No, we're definitely not swapping doors.
All right.
I'll just get one by us.
Yeah. Well, I do have a half a gallon of mud left over from my van.
No, you keep your body work far away from my car, please.
I could be good. I could get it.
No, we're good. We're good.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Probably better.
I appreciate the offer.
Yeah. Kevin, is this still going to be in the truck next time I come out here?
Guaranteed.
I'm
Hey,
going.
let's make a wager on this.
I'm going to.
Today's what's that? November 7th.
No, listen. Maybe if I could speak. Yes.
November 7th, Monday.
I'm going to be going to a old school car show this coming weekend. I may advertise this, and someone might need it.
Okay.
If it doesn't sell, it'll be in the truck next time we come here in 2023.
Lower the seat.
Absolutely. Cool.
So, coming soon to Cross Country Garage. Let's take a look at some of our upcoming projects we got in this backyard here. Well, we got the Nighthawk pretty much done. Booger pretty much just needs a carburetor, and I think she's ready to go. I got no clue what's going on with this little guy. Probably missing the motor, I would assume. We got the Cat, or the Skater, or whatever it is. Don't know what's going on here. A lot. We got Butch, the big monster. Now this GTO, I believe, is the sacrificial GTO, because that's not looking great. But it has a lot of parts for that one over there. Don't know what's up with this little boat. I think this was Kevin's childhood boat. So this will never go anywhere. We have a parts Scion. Take to Kevin on Shorewood. Now here's the Le Mans that he's currently working on that he's going to LS. So I'm not sure. He's going to combine something between the two Le Manses. I do not know the story of this car. Pretty sure that this is getting LS'd also. That was the rumor. I think he just wants to start LS and everything. This was going to get an LT, but I think he just sold the LT. So it'll probably get LS'd. This is garbage, but it did donate a couple parts for my Trans Am. This is going to become a drift car. And this is not Kevin's, so I couldn't steal any parts from it, unfortunately. No idea what the story with this truck is. It's just collecting parts. And then we got Bruiser. Now this puppy drove all the way here from New Jersey, and it made it somehow. Then over there we got some jet skis, of course, and we got the trailer, and that's got a 65 bed in it. And then we got all the vehicles up front. And in the garages. Here's where the Mustang lived, in this stall right here. Here's the brandy new frame for the Nomad. And then just parts everywhere. Ooh, the Mustang door. All right, final day. Can't drink all day unless you start in the morning. Okay. So the rumor is that the Merc runs now.
It does.
It does? There's what
It was one of the 2 firing orders that's available by Ford, which is affected by the camshaft that's in it. I didn't build it, and I went to the default 302 camshaft spec, and apparently
crap.
it was like the 351 style. So some little research, did that. At first it was acting way advanced, which it was, so I clocked it back a little bit, boom, runs like a sewing machine. Unbelievable.
And here we're hiding the Pro Charger underneath the ratchet straps.
Little gangster ratchet strap going on here.
Last day here.
Getting some gas to fire the 55.
Yep, we're gonna. That's the rumor of today, that we're gonna hear it. So you gotta run out and get it?
I'm gonna drive and get it.
Okay. You want me to go under and fucking snag this to something?
Yeah, I don't know what I want to do.
Okay. I'm gonna turn the camera off and figure it out. Progress report. Running. Hates us, not running. Got it running while we were here. Got it running while we were here. Always runs. Got it running while we were here.
You forgot did you get the go-kart?
Nope. Got that running while we were here. And now we're working on the booger. Kevin said it only needed a carb, so he told me to put a carb on, where I so successfully put the fuel line on the vacuum fucking line. And yeah, and the booster was on the fuel. And of course everything's dry rotted, but we're gonna fire this bitch and see if we get something out of it.
So the only thing that won't be running this weekend would be the 5.0.
Yep.
AKA Mustangry. Yeah.
AKA Disgusting.
AKA 5.0.
Yes, yes. And that's ironically that's where this video started.
Yes.
Because I was going down the line. Running! Hell no. Running. Like, yep. Damn Fords.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm not supposed to put that in.
I know. Alright, Kevin was very specific. Make sure it's not in gear. That's what he said to me. God damn this. Alright. Ready? You hear anything on that accelerator pump?
Accelerator pump ain't working.
I thought you gave me a good carb.
I didn't know. Go for it.
Oh, thumb's working. This is pretty funny. My $6.28 reward, I've used it 4 times since I've been here. I'll have to find the receipts.